brought to you by Senior Life Simplified. Please like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy the video. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Senior Life Simplified. Today we're learning something truly heartwarming and helpful: how to set up Zoom or video chat so you can stay connected with your friends and grandkids, no matter the distance. Video calls are a wonderful way to see the faces you love, share stories, and stay emotionally close, even when you're physically apart. And the best part? It's easier than you think. To get started, here's what you'll need: a smartphone, tablet, or computer, an internet connection, an email address or phone number. That's it. Now let's walk through the steps. Go to your app store on your phone or tablet, or visit zoom.us on your computer. Search for Zoom and tap Download or Install. Open the app and tap Sign Up to create an account using your email. Once signed up, you can tap New Meeting to start a call or join if someone sent you an invite. To schedule a call with your grandkids, just tap Schedule, pick a time, and send the link to them by email or text. Zoom isn't the only option. You can also use FaceTime if you have an iPhone or iPad, WhatsApp for quick calls, or Facebook Messenger. They all work in similar ways. Tap the name, press the video button, and you're face-to-face with someone you care about. Here are a few tips for a smooth video chat. Sit in a quiet, well-lit room. Use headphones if you have trouble hearing, and keep your device steady. Use a stand or prop it up if needed. Whether you're saying good night to a grandchild or catching up with an old friend, video chatting is a simple way to stay close. You've got this, and you're never too old to learn something new. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Senior Life Simplified. We're here to help you stay connected and confident, one step at a time. This video was brought to you by Senior Life Simplified. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe, and check out all of our other videos.